doing some targeting. Alright. Just a rough sketch of what we want to accomplish. You know, the end of 2020. What is the amount of attention we want to grab, and the figures, the targets, right? Because look, man, money follows attention. Okay, you need to actually write 10x targets. Then you actually need to program it out. How are you gonna make those targets? Whether it's on, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook pages, Instagram. You know what I'm saying? LinkedIn, set the targets. Know what you want to achieve, and then go and get it. We're in Macro doing some shopping, and hey, the message here is, look, there's so many people around here buying stuff. Okay, we all have to have masks. Coronavirus, recession's going on, right? Not a lot of money in the industry right now. Companies are shut down, closing down, going bankrupt. You think you're losing your business to your competitor. Meanwhile, it's not your competitor, dude. They've been solving everything else. Your competitor is the world. Your competitor is everything and everyone that's in business. Okay? Moral of the story, quit blaming your competitor. Okay, your customer buys something or they don't buy something from you, they're gonna go out and buy something for sure from somebody. Because every buyer is a buyer if you treat them like a buyer. And this guy with the TV, man, look at that.